Your Mercedes-Benz is fitted with a comprehensive suite of safety and assistance features called Driving Assistance Package Plus. The vehicle is equipped with sensors and cameras that can detect what's happening around you and either respond or prompt you with a warning. One key example is Active Distance Assist Distronic, which allows you to set your cruise control speed using the toggle located on the right-hand side of the steering wheel and adjust using the scroll wheel. Active Distance Assist also scans the road ahead and adapts your speed to maintain a safe distance from any traffic in front. It can slow without the need for driver intervention or brake to a full stop if required. It will automatically resume driving if the traffic ahead moves within a 30-second time frame. You can also adjust the distance between yourself and the traffic in front using the other toggle. Another feature is Steering Assist, which can adjust the steering to keep the vehicle within a marked lane. When the vehicle's cameras detect consistent lane markings, a steering wheel symbol in your instrument cluster turns from white to green. The vehicle can now locate itself within its lane with gentle steering inputs, which the driver can override at any time. By law, the driver needs to remain in control, so after a short time, a warning graphic will be displayed. You need to resume control with a steering input. You can disable this function by pressing a button located behind the steering wheel on the right-hand side of the dashboard. Your Mercedes-Benz is also equipped with Active Lane Change Assist. On a multi-lane road, move the indicator stalk up or down to begin a lane change. The vehicle checks the lane next to you, and if it's safe to do so within 15 seconds, automatically steers the vehicle into the desired lane, cancelling the indicator when the manoeuvre is completed. With Mercedes-Benz Driving Assistance Package Plus, your driving experience can be both safer and more relaxed.